guys, it's Riley, and guess what today is? I got a new package. Like I said, I always open it. The first thing is, please subscribe. I want to at least get to 130. Please. Please, please, please. And like this one. So the first thing we have is some little extras. A Twizzler, a Hi-Chew strawberry, and then some chocolate in the back. So that's pretty good. There's that. So then we have, I guess this is an extra because I didn't order this. This is from Island Slime Shop. You should really go check her out. She's awesome. I didn't get any borax. So here it is. It's a butter slime, by the way. I got a butter slime. Oh yeah, this is butter slime. Ooh, and it's like not sticky at all. Pretty good. Whoa. Look at this. It's purple. And it is an extra, so like it's not gonna be a lot. I ordered so there it is. I ordered a 8-ounce. It was called confetti icing. So it was that. It's purple. Next thing you pull out is an extra bouncy ball. It has a little face on it. Yep, bouncy. Some chunky glitter. Oh, here it is. And then some packing peanuts. And then some packing peanuts. Oh, they're from the Squish. Anyway, this is like ripped. I don't know about this, guys. Oh my god! Confetti icing. Let's do this. Look at that. I love this slime. Oh my god. You guys have to order from her. I don't think I'll need to add borax. It smells amazing. It smells like vanilla. I'll show you guys. It's hard to get out of the container. So this is an 8-ounce container, just if you're wondering. And like when an 8-ounce slime, you don't know what it looks like. So that's what it is. There it is. Such a good slime, guys. It's a little sticky, but like, look, it's not sticky. It just like sticks like when you crack it. This was A6.